What's up, guys? New parody? Enjoy. You'll figure it out. How could you be so heartless, Kanye West? How could you be so heartless? How could you be so dick on that stage, yo? On September 12, 2009, at the VMAs on MTV, you had to do something dick, and all you thought about was this chick, and all you thought about was humiliating her on national TV. You were jealous that she won Female Video of the Year. Yes, I'm talking about my homie Taylor Swift. She's the shit, and you're not in the night. I hear him talk, call the story ever told. Somewhere far along this road, he's lost his soul. He's so freaking heartless. How could you be so heartless, Kanye West? How could you be so heartless? How could you be so Dr. Evil? You're bringing on a side that I don't know. You're stupid with your stupid black sunglasses and your black shirt. You got stupid blue jeans and your black boots. You took the mic from her on her acceptance speech. You're a dumbass. How could you do this, you stupid hoe? How could you be such a dick? You're a stupid little bitch, and everyone really hates you. You're a stupid bitch. I hate you and your stupid music. Taylor Swift has the voice of an angel. How could one so heartless? How could you be so heartless, Kanye West? How could you be so heartless? Talk. All this shit is coming from your mouth. All you had to say that night during her fucking speech was that Beyonce's video. Single ladies put it on, but 2 times better than we belong to me. You're just jealous because you never won Video of the Year. So your music's in my trash can. I have my iPod deleted. I'm paranoid, stronger than all those stupid songs. How could you be so heartless, Kanye West? How could you be so heartless? Oh yeah. Your career is down the toilet. Taylor Swift's on top, and you're all the way at the bottom. Good luck getting out of this. It's gonna take a lot of money. And Beyonce was so nice, she let Taylor Swift finish her speech.